Have you ever felt like your mind is overloaded, your energy drained, and your motivation slipping away? It's a familiar feeling in today's fast-paced world. But here's something most people don't realize. You don't need a whole hour or even half to turn things around. All you need is 2 simple minutes. Picture your mind like a smartphone. When too many apps are open, the phone starts to lag, freeze, and lose its responsiveness. But with a quick reset, it's suddenly smooth and fast again. Your body and mind work just the same. When stress piles up and focus slips, that's a sign you need a reset. This is the power of the 2-minute reset rule. Here's how it works. Pause whatever you're doing. Close your eyes if you can and take slow, mindful breaths. Feel your chest rise and fall. Stretch your body. Roll your shoulders, reach your arms overhead, or simply stand up and move. If possible, step outside and let sunlight touch your skin. Or sit quietly and sip water, feeling its coolness refresh you. These tiny actions done with intention reboot your system. In just 2 minutes, tension melts away, your mind feels lighter, and you're ready to tackle what's next. So the next time stress tries to take over, don't wait. Don't let overwhelm steal your energy or your peace. Hit reset. Just 2 minutes, and you'll find clarity and calm where you least expect it. If this story resonated with you, share it with someone who needs a moment to breathe. And subscribe to Wisdom Stories in English, because every page is a journey, and your next story could change your life.